Hey, this is Matt here with Green's Lawn Care, and we're answering questions that you guys are asking. So the question today is, do I really need liquid aeration? And so the answer is yes. If you want a really great looking lawn, you definitely need liquid aeration. Now, if you get it as part of our Pro program, there's a 10% discount applied with it. And if you buy it as a one-off, you're not on a fertilization program or anything like that, it will cost you a little bit more because it's not part of a program. Now, liquid aeration is a little bit misleading because it's not true aeration like mechanical aeration that we do in the fall. Liquid aeration is something that we do in the springtime, and really what it is a soil conditioner. It puts a lot of bacteria in the ground, enzymes in the ground, humic acids, things of that nature. It's actually a mix that we use multiple different products that we have found to work best together, and we have combined them into one, and that's what we put out as our soil conditioner. Now, lawns that we put liquid aeration down on, you can definitely tell the difference. Is it for everyone? It's not for everyone. But if you want a really great looking lawn, liquid aeration is vital to get extra nutrients into the ground, extra bacteria, especially if you live in a new development subdivision where they take off all the topsoil, and then you're pretty much building your entire lawn off of clay. They strip all the nutrients away, everything like that. And so it's our job, it's your job, when we're trying to get you a great looking lawn, to get all those nutrients back into the soil. So that's why liquid aeration is so important, especially if you live in a new development and you have a lot of clay in your soil. But if you want a great looking lawn, liquid aeration is vital for you in your pursuit of a great looking lawn. All right, see you guys in the next one.